Morning. Asaram Bapu's son Narayan Sai, wanted in a rape case in Gujarat, has been arrested around midnight after a 2-month search. He was caught at the Delhi-Punjab border while he was trying to enter Delhi from Haryana using the National Highway 1. In fact, a Delhi police crime branch has been trailing him from Punjab to Chandigarh and in fact caught him while he was trying to escape disguised as a Sikh man. The 41-year-old is now being questioned in the capital. Both Asaram Bapu and Narayan Sai were booked in October for the alleged rape of 2 sisters from Surat in Gujarat. All right, my colleague Rohit Bhan now joining us for more. Rohit, finally the police are managing to arrest Narayan Sai there, who's been on the run for months now. What's next now? We believe the crime branch will be interrogating him.
Well, that's right. In fact, what we've been told is that a joint team of the Delhi and Surat police, they are questioning him at the crime branch headquarters of the Delhi police in the national capital. What they want to know is the sequence of event, from which all places did he go. In fact, what we have learnt is that the joint interrogation team has managed to extract information on which all places Narayan Sai had gone to after he was declared as an absconder. In fact, after his FIR, the rape FIR was lodged against him, places like Jaipur, in Uttar Pradesh, in South Gujarat, in Maharashtra, all these places Narayan Sai had managed to visit under a camouflage. And when he was arrested late yesterday night, and in fact we've been told that he was camouflaged as a Sikh, and that's what we've known, that he was trying to move from one place to another undercover. But finally, luck running out, the crime branch of the Delhi police and the Surat police, based on a tip-off, they were trailing him, and in fact they zeroed in on a location in Ludhiana to a businessman's house where he was supposed to be hiding. That's where he was tracked down. But before the police could actually arrest him there, he had left that place. But eventually on the Delhi-Haryana border near Kurukshetra, that's where the special investigation team, the joint team of the Delhi police and the Surat police, they arrested him. Now he'll be presented before a Delhi court in the afternoon. That's what we've been told, for a transit warrant, because he has to be brought to Surat. That's where the rape FIR has been filed against him and his father. The elder sister, based in Surat, had 11 allegations that Asaram had raped her in his Ahmedabad ashram. And as far as the son is concerned, Narayan Sai, the younger sister, had a leveled allegation that she was sexually molested in Surat, in his Surat ashram, and that's why a police case was, a rape FIR was filed against Narayan Sai in the Jahangirpura police station in Surat. Now, after the police obtains the transfer warrant, he will be brought to Surat, where he will be presented. He'll be questioned by the Surat police in connection with the allegation which have been filed by the rape FIR which has been filed by the sisters.
All right, Rohit, thanks very much for joining us with all those details from